JPAL North America has trained individuals as well as organizations, practitioners, and policymakers for a decade. And what we've learned is that individuals as well as organizations are motivated to generate and use evidence in policymaking, but they often need support and coordination at the institutional level. So we created the Learning Lab model in order to provide that kind of support.
JPAL North America's Learning Lab model is an immersive capacity building engagement that is really designed to help nonprofit leaders, government leaders leverage rigorous evidence to advance effective strategies to address poverty in their communities. Learning Labs offer training sessions, peer learning engagements, opportunities to connect with academic researchers, and one-on-one customized and tailored supports provided by JPAL staff to help them apply and use evidence in their communities. And we do this by focusing on particular policy areas or geographic areas to really support cohorts and communities. So there are a number of core offerings that we provide through Learning Labs. The first is establishing a cohort-based peer learning environment where participants can learn from one another and share resources.
This is a really good opportunity to look at different programs that we wanted to explore, to get some insights from peers. We will be able to lean on other jurisdictions that are doing similar programs and similar projects, learn from each other, grow from each other, share feedback and thoughts and insights.
Learning Labs also provide training sessions, which are customized to meet the particular needs of the cohort. And these training sessions provide foundational knowledge and skills around impact evaluation and specifically conducting randomized evaluations.
We're trying to be more data-driven as a city, and this has given us a really good opportunity to learn a lot about randomization and evaluations, things that we weren't really aware of beforehand.
Participants have the opportunity of developing a partnership with a researcher in the network to really have someone who's an expert at running randomized evaluations to help guide them.
Meeting staff from jurisdictions across the country who have this interest in knowing whether the things that they're doing actually work and being able to support them, designing experiments that can answer questions that they want the answers to, and then in the best of cases, brainstorming with them on future policy design that leverages the information that we've brought to bear is pretty exciting.
And then finally, Learning Labs include customized one-on-one support by JPAL staff to help them achieve their goals and also complete their deliverables. So we want Learning Lab participants to really walk away from the experience with a tangible resource that they can take back to their organizations and be able to continue their evaluation efforts.
What really set JPAL apart is that it was really clear that they wanted to listen and get to know what our particular priorities were and challenges were. Everything we've learned so far is going to be able to be put into practice, shared with our peer learning partners, and then most importantly, share those learnings with other cities so we can continue to scale our efforts across all of our communities. I think this is really where the fun starts.
Our number one goal is to meet participants where they are at and provide the supports that are most critical to them to be able to advance their evaluation strategies. When folks walk away from a Learning Lab experience, they are bringing skills that will help them improve their programs and advance effective strategies to reduce poverty in their communities.